Hello guys, this is Juan again from Shenzhen OSL. Today we're gonna present you guys a machine BM10. So this is a new model, and I think you guys are seeing a lot of our videos, and we have different models, BM01, 2, and this is 10. So what's the difference between this one and another one? And as you can see from here, this one BM10, you have bigger chamber. So this bigger chamber, this is more than 10 inches. That means you can laminate cell phone and also tablets. So this is the a Chinese screen insulator. That the reason I make this video, and also I make this for one of our customer, because this is like special request for him. So if you have like a screen you want to like refurbish the LCD, replace the glass, you also can send us a broken screen and we can make the special mode for you. And as I have said, we have the this machine can works for pad and also for the cell phone. This is the base for cell phone. Actually, you can at the same time you can work for two pieces, so you can have a bigger production line. And this is the base for pad, for iPad, for any other pad, for Samsung pad, and we have different models for them. So this is more than 10 inches, as I explained to you guys. And later, our technician will just show you guys how to laminate this screen with this glass, just in a second. I just want to repeat the difference between this one and those machines we're selling right now. The first one is as I said, a bigger production. We have work for two cell phones at the same time, and also for iPad. You know, before we have the machine for cell phone only because it's less than 7 inches. If you want it for iPad or for other pad, you need to buy another machine, or you have to upgrade to another higher model, for example BM05, and which is kind of expensive. And in this one, the price is same as BM01. This is BM10, and the same price or very similar price as BM01, but it works for two pieces cell phone and one piece and for the pad. So the same price, you have bigger production and also wide range style types. You can work for cell phone and also pad. So this is the something between those different machines that we're selling, and I hope you guys I think you guys already understand what I have talked. So now just continue. Let's just use this machine and laminate one of the pads for you guys. Let you guys say how it works. Thanks you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello guys, Juan again. So now our technician is gonna show you guys how to laminate a pad. So now firstly just put on a base this black rubber. First we're gonna laminate Olga, the OC film, on the glass. Actually this glass is with a touch. So this is the mold. So this is just like laminating a cell phone, but this is just a bigger man. Okay, first then you put the Olga on it. Okay, you just make sure this is make it even, and adhere to this black rubber. So this is the glass with touch. This is a Chinese brand. I know some of you guys may get a very big quantity of one kind of screen. It doesn't matter it's just a cell phone, it doesn't matter it's a tablet. you can just send it to us. We can help you to make the special mode, and if with the special mode you can get very good quality and save a lot of your time. Now just tear off the film. Now put the glass on it, then put it inside. Okay. This machine is just same as the yeah. Make sure it's automatic. Okay, now it starts. The vacuum time is 35 seconds and the pressing time is like 30 seconds. The temperature is 50 degrees. And I still, because we have like 1 minute, so what are we gonna do? We just repeat it again. So this machine works for 2 at the same time, 2 cell phone or for iPad as well. So this machine works for cell phone and pad as well. Multifunctional. For cell phone, at the same time 2 pieces, so means you have a bigger production. Now that's a holding, this suppressor. 24, 25, 26, 27, 29. Okay. So now let's check the result. Yeah, be careful. Because this black rubber is kind of sticky, so let's see if there is any bubble. No bubble, no bubble at all. Can I see? Can we just, I just want to tear it off and see it clearly. Okay. Now let's laminate the LCD with touch. Now let's laminate the glass with LCD. So for the LCD, so this rubber, this we use the red one, la comita. So before the lamination, you're supposed to clean the LCD, so like everyone knows. Just be careful. It's better to have a dust-free room, so it's gonna be better. Now just tear off the Olga. Okay, now let's see the result. See how it comes out. Let's take off the film and see how it comes out. It's perfect, man. Okay, that's it, man. If you like this video, guys can subscribe our YouTube channel. You like this machine, just contact me for better price. And also this is a new machine. If you have this, if you contact, you might be the first one in your country to have this machine. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Have a good night. Bye. Ciao.